what to record. What changes? Our friends also changes. Like when we were in primary school, there are our friends also changes, right? There are some in our first standard. There are other friends. Like our best friend is different. Sometimes it happen that our best friend changes from standard to standard. Like our friends changes. Some remain same, but some changes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So like that, see, the friends also are the important factors of our life. If we are in a good company of friends, then uh, their good effects will also reflect on us. And if we are in a bad company, then their bad effect reflect on us. So always choose wisely. Okay, and don't change yourself for others. When we change ourselves for others, then that is not beneficial for us. Okay, so the next is we will see what is this what are the terms. We will elaborate the terms, expressions. Okay, so this is the expression 5xy plus 10, right? So can anyone tell me terms of this equation, 5xy plus 10? First term will be
Five.
5xy, the whole term. The
Five.
terms
Okay.
are joined by operators like addition, subtraction. So the whole term, this first is the term. The second term will be,
10.
yes, 10. There are only two terms, which is 5xy and 10. So this first is called algebraic expression, and these are called terms. Okay, and this is 10 is a constant, as its value is remain not changing, so it is a constant. Okay, so 5xy, see this 5xy, it is made up of three quantities, right? There are three quantities which you have see here, which is 5, x and y, right? Three quantities you see here, right? 5, x and y, which makes 5xy, right? So these quantities, these are called factors. What are they called? Factors. This,
Factors.
yeah, the 5xy, which when we combine by multiplication, we get the term 5xy. So this 5x and y are called the factors of term 5xy. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this x and y are also called as what? This x and y is also,
Variables.
yes, and the
Variable.
phi is
Constant.
also, yes. Okay, so in this one, phi is we can't say phi is a constant, because constant
Question.
terms, yes, constant term is different. This phi is combined with this variable. So we say the numerical value in term is called coefficient. So this phi is called a coefficient. Okay, understood that coefficient term, the numerical value in the term. So this is the phi, which is called coefficient. We will see the example. So this is minus 9xz. So this minus 9, we will take negative sign also. So this minus 9 is called the coefficient of that term. Okay. Then xy. You can see there is, you will see there is no number before x and y. So why it is written as 1? But no, there is a number which is 1. When we multiply any number or any variable with 1, we will get only that variable, right? Or only that number. So we will say this is 1. Okay.
Yes,
Understood
ma'am.
this? Coefficient, factors, terms, and constant. Any doubt in till this?
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. So we will see one exercise, small exercise for you. You have to solve. Identify coefficient and variables of the terms. So this is the term. So first term is 11 mn. So can anyone tell me what will be the coefficient here in 11 mn? Coefficient. Yes, 11. And what will be the variable?
M and N.
Yes, m and n. There are two variables. So now the second one, minus 9x square y cube. What will be the coefficient?
9
Minus 9.
or minus 9.
We take minus sign also. Okay, negative sign is also important. We can't ignore that.
Okay, ma'am.
In writing coefficient, we will write negative sign also. Coefficient are real numbers. Okay. So what will be the variables?
X square and Y cube.
Yeah, x square and y cube. But writing
and
when
Y.
we when we writing, we don't write their powers. 2 and 3 we don't write. We only write x and y. Okay, understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will move forward. So our next term is like terms. So the like terms are terms which have the same variable with the same powers are like terms. We will see the example for better understanding. So see this. Like first example is 2x, 5x, minus 7x. So you can see here is only x, x and x. Their variables are same, right? Coefficient are different, but variables are same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the powers are also same. This is 1, 1, 1. So these are called like terms. In second example, you can see minus 5x square y and 2x square y. So you can see x square y and x square y are similar here. Coefficient are different, but the variables are same with same powers. So that's why they are called like terms. Okay, understood this? Like what are the like terms?
Yes, ma'am.
So next is unlike terms. This is the opposite of like terms. So unlike terms, the terms which doesn't have the same variables or same powers of variables. So you can see here first example is 7xy and minus 9z. See here a coefficient are also different and variables are also different. There is no repetition. There is no same variables here. Xy is different, z is different, right? Second example, you can see 8mn and 8m square n. Here also mn is different, m square n is different. Okay, there are no similarities. That's why they are called unlike terms. Understood the concept of like and unlike terms?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we will move. I taught you this like and unlike terms for the next topic, which is the types of algebraic expression. There are mainly four types. You can say mainly four types of algebraic expressions. We will see that. First is monomial. The monomial are the expressions having only one unlike terms. See. Can you say 7x minus a 2? There are different terms, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And is there any kind of operation going on between them, like addition, subtraction? Is any kind of there? There are only one terms. There are no other terms joining them. Like there is no other term like 7x minus 7y. Is there anything like that here? No, right? There
No,
is
ma'am.
only one single term. So this is called monomial. The next one is binomial. Binomial means expression having two unlike terms. There are two unlike terms. So we call them as a binomial. So you can see here, these are the two expression like 2x minus y. So you see here, there are two terms, which are 2x and y, which are joined by this subtraction. Okay. Here is also 7m and 2 minus 2. These are also two terms which are joined by operators. Understood this? Binomial and monomial. The only one term is increasing. The next is trinomial. Trinomial means expression having three unlike terms. See, mono means one. According to the name, there are definitions. Bi means two and tri means three. So the expressions having three unlike terms are called trinomials.
Trinomial.
Yeah, so example is C. 4x square y plus 7z minus 3y z square. See, there are unlike terms. Okay. If there are like terms, then there are, if instead of this 4x square y, if we have written 4z and this 7z, then this is not called a trinomial. There should be unlike terms. See, these are unlike terms, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the expression is 4x square y plus 7z minus 3y z square. So there are three terms, right? So that's why it is called trinomial. Next one and the main one is polynomial. So poly means many. This poly, P-O-L-Y, it means many. So expression having one or more unlike terms are called polynomials. Okay, so the example you will see from this example clearly. See, a square minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b square. See, here are how many terms are there? 1, 4. There are 4 terms there. So these are called polynomials. Okay, so this monomial, binomial, trinomial are also included in polynomial. See, the definition here itself states that one or more like term. So if there is a one term, it is also called monomial and also polynomial. Two terms, also polynomial. Three terms, also polynomial. So polynomials are the terms having one or more unlike terms. Okay, understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt till this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we will see now. We will see some exercise. You have to solve this and you have to answer me. Okay. So identify the types of expression. This exercise is based on the previous slide, that is types of algebraic expressions. So you have to state which expression is monomial, polynomial, or binomial. Okay. So the first one is 7x. What is this? Which type of expression is this?
Monomial.
Yeah, having only one term,
Monomial.
monomial. Second is 5y minus 7z.
Binomial.
Binomial. They are having two terms. Third is 3x square minus
Trinomial.
trinomial. They are having three terms. This one 1 minus 8a minus 7 square minus
Polynomial.
polynomial. Yeah, they are having more terms. Okay. Have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So okay. So this is the topic of today's. We have covered definitions of algebraic expressions, terms, right? Variables, constant, types of algebraic expressions. So the next one, which will be a addition of these algebraic expressions, we will study it in our next lecture. So till then, I am going to give you some homework. Please note it down in your book. So this will be your homework. You have to solve it. This will be the 5. Okay. So any doubt till this?
No, ma'am.
So we will end this lecture here. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, students.